Welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch. So, summer's coming. So today we're going to be talking about tools for night crawling. Stay tuned. All right, so this is going to be a quick episode. But anyways, night crawling coming up here in Arizona, and it gets hot during the day. So the only time we're going to be able to get out there and do anything, even bashing, is going to be at night. After the sun goes down, it'll start cool off and get below 100 degrees out here. And in Arizona, we live on the dangerous side because sometimes it's 98 degrees outside in the middle of the night, and we're out there playing with our RCs. So one of the benefits of playing with your RCs, playing at them at night, you got to have light. So my brother-in-law was in town a few weekends ago, and he bought me this Lightbar Pro. So it's a rechargeable pack, and he actually, he had one, and he let me use it, and he let me use it for actually cooking and barbecuing out in the backyard. Turned off all the lights, and I put this bad boy on, and it is super bright. Let's see if I can do it without blinding you guys. But it has a red light feature. It also has this bright white light feature, and it is super bright. My kids look at it and they were like, "Dad, I'm blind." But it has dimming modes, so you can cycle and dim it and get it down to a manageable level. Then it goes super bright again. Same with the red function. You can dim it. You can turn it bright. Then you just press and hold either one of the buttons right here, which I'm going to show you. So there's these over here. So there's these buttons right here. The top one is for the bright light. Bottom one is red light. And it doesn't matter which one you're on. You just press and hold it and it turns off. It's got a rechargeable pack. They sell other packs of these. I believe I've even seen these when I'm watching everybody else's YouTube videos pop up in a YouTube ad, but they're awesome. Not to mention the pack, the rechargeable pack here is removable. The LED lights, they actually just Velcro onto the strap. So you could pull it off, throw this in the wash the strap, bring it back out, refix it back up. You can get multiple light packs. I haven't tested this completely out to tell you how long the battery actually lasts, but I'm going to go ahead and kick the lights off in the garage as best as I can, and I'll show you how much it lights up. But I even found myself putting this on while I'm working on my RCs because all of my lighting is kind of here and up on top. I got nothing that comes from behind me because it creates too much shadows for the video. But I put this bad boy on, and it lights this whole area up, and I can actually see. Technically I'm supposed to be wearing glasses when I do certain stuff, so I get those on too, but I'm not getting old. I'm still a kid at heart because I play with toy trucks. All right, let me kick the lights off, and then I'll show you how bright this thing can light up. All right, so this is going to be kind of hard to do because I do have my computer screens on. You see, I can turn off this monitor here. All right, so it's super dark. Everybody see me? But anyways, we're going to turn around, and I'm going to turn on these lights, and I'll use the white light first, but it lights up pretty good. I mean, you imagine at night crawling with this thing. Look at that. I can kind of cover it up a little bit, and you guys can see me. Am I freaking you out yet? All right, so as you can see, this light is super bright. Let's go ahead and test out the red light portion of it. So you get a little bit of red light, especially, let me go ahead and cover that up, but I kind of look freaky on the screen. Hopefully I'm not freaking you guys out. But anyways, this light bar is awesome. Let me go ahead and get the lights back on. But all right, got the lights back on. It's Lightbar Pro. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description of where I can find it at if anybody's interested in picking it up. But I'm going to get one of these for my wife. I'm going to get a couple for the kids just so when we go out crawling, especially at night, or we're going to try to do some night bashing too. And I believe the AZRC bashers, they do a couple of bash events during the summer. So we're going to go out and do that. And they put these big stadium lights up. So we'll have that going for us too. And we're going to be making some trips up north to cooler weather, do some bashing, some crawling. There's a lot of places in northern Arizona we want to hit up and try out some of the trails up there and see how things go with that. So, but anyways, this is a good tool to add to your kit. This now becomes an addition to my my RC tool pack that I carry, which is right here. You guys know I did a video on it. I'll put a link down in the description to the video if anybody's interested in seeing what we carry around with us. I'm actually putting a couple more of those kits together for my family. I'm putting one together for my wife, so when she goes out, she's got her own little kit. It's not going to have tools in them for her. Primarily, it's just going to be something she can carry her RC on when we don't need to actually drive them, or if it breaks, she can strap it on her backpack and carry it back and not have to carry it back on her arm. And then I'm going to be setting one up for my middle son, Ashton, because he's getting really into crawling. We actually did some crawling today, but that's going to be at a later video. So hopefully you guys will stay tuned and check that out. But anyways, just wanted to tell you guys about this Lightbar headband thing. It's awesome. I think it's a good addition. You can use multiple different things. You can use it camping. You can use it just on your everyday life. Even going on a walk, you can take this and put this on. But we're going to put it to use crawling. And this summer, you guys will be seeing this out there. All right, I got a lot more coming to the channel. I got some new stuff we're going to be doing. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.